2025 Hyundai Palisade. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.